Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. So today we're setting our sights on a modern mystery that, let's be real, every single one of us has experienced. You're chilling in your house, everything is working totally fine, and then suddenly your technology just seemingly rebels against you for absolutely no reason. Well, good news, you aren't going crazy and your devices probably aren't broken. There is literally an invisible force causing all this tech chaos inside your home. Today we're going to expose exactly what it is, how it's messing with your daily life, and most importantly, how to stop it cold.
Picture this, because I know we've all been there. You're working from home, you're on a really crucial video call, and someone in the kitchen decides to heat up last night's leftovers in the microwave. Instantly, and I mean instantly, your video freezes, your audio drops, your Wi-Fi basically flatlines. Why does your internet connection die the exact second you heat up lunch? I promise you this isn't just some random glitch in the matrix. This is a very specific, measurable scientific clash happening right there in your kitchen. And understanding it is step one to taking back control of your home network.
Okay, let's dive into this and look at what we call the connectivity casualties. These are the classic day-in-the-life frustrations of a typical homeowner. You sit down to stream a movie and it just endlessly buffers. Or you put the baby down to sleep and the baby monitor feed completely drops out. Maybe your home security system suddenly triggers a blaring false alarm at 2 a.m. Or you're standing in your driveway pressing the button on your car's key fob or garage door opener and absolutely nothing happens. Seriously, no way is it just bad hardware across the board. These are all victims of the exact same invisible problem.
Section 1. Unmasking the villain. What exactly is RF interference?
So the villain here is radio frequency interference, or RFI for short. By definition, RFI is the disruption of radio signals by other electronic devices that are emitting electromagnetic radiation in the exact same frequency range. Basically, think of the air inside your house like a busy multi-lane highway. Every single wireless device you own needs its own lane to drive in. RFI is essentially a massive invisible traffic jam. You got all these different electromagnetic waves competing for the exact same super limited airwave space. When they inevitably crash into each other, boom, your devices stop communicating. And this brilliantly illustrates the two main types of this interference that we see in a typical home network. First, we have co-channel interference, or CCI. This happens when multiple devices are trying to use the exact same frequency. It is exactly like trying to have a conversation with your friends at a ridiculously loud, crowded concert. Everyone's shouting over each other, and you literally have to wait your turn just to get a word in, which bogs everything down. Then we have adjacent channel interference, or ACI. Think of this like having a quiet romantic dinner at a restaurant, but the table right next to you is just incredibly loud and obnoxious. Even though they're at a different table, or in tech terms, a slightly different channel, their noise spills over and totally ruins your connection. Section 2. The culprits in your kitchen and beyond. Identifying the sources and the victims. Take a look at this breakdown right here. We've separated out the sources, the culprits emitting the energy, from the victims, which are the devices that desperately need a clean signal to function. Notice how completely normal, everyday items act as massive disruptors. We're talking microwave ovens, those cheap little wall wart power supplies you plug into your outlets, fluorescent and LED lighting, and even the physical thick concrete walls in older homes. Any of these can leak or bounce electromagnetic energy around. And on the receiving end, your Wi-Fi routers, baby monitors, security cameras, they are incredibly sensitive. When the sources blast out noisy electromagnetic radiation, the victims simply get overwhelmed and can't process their data. And there's one number sitting right at the center of this whole battleground: 2.4. The 2.4 gigahertz frequency band is, without a doubt, the most crowded highway in your entire house. Because it has such a great range and easily punches through walls, it basically became the industry standard for everything. But that means your microwave, your older cordless phones, your Bluetooth speakers, and your legacy Wi-Fi devices are all clashing on this exact same frequency. When too many devices operate in this 2.4 gigahertz space, your internet speed drastically slows down, and connections just drop out entirely. But here is a truly wild fact derived straight from the experts at Palomar Engineers. Your cables are acting as secret antennas. Yes, really. The physical wires running behind your entertainment center right now, the power cords, the speaker leads, the Ethernet cables hooking up your gear, they can unintentionally act as antennas. They literally receive ambient interference right out of the air and pipe it directly into your devices. Or even worse, they transmit that interference out into the room. All right, Section 3. When security gets compromised. From annoying buffering to real-world vulnerabilities. You see, radio frequency interference isn't just an annoyance like Netflix buffering. It can actively compromise your physical security. Look at the real-world vulnerabilities we've got listed here. Environmental factors, like strong electromagnetic radiation, can totally jam the signals of your garage door opener, or even your car's key fob, literally leaving you locked out. Heavy interference can cause a total loss of connectivity in your smart home IoT devices. It can even cause GPS interference, which can lead to a complete failure of your car's navigation system the second you pull out of your driveway. And maybe most alarmingly, it can cause passive infrared or PIR sensors in your home security system to trigger massive, blaring false alarms in the middle of the night.
So the crucial point is understanding the mechanics of why a false alarm like that happens. When a rogue stray electromagnetic wave physically hits a tiny copper circuit wire inside your security sensor, it literally induces an abnormal electrical voltage right into that path. And the stronger the invisible wave, the higher the voltage generated. This rogue voltage tricks the sensitive electronics into thinking there's an actual intruder, throwing the whole system off and triggering a totally false alarm. It is a very real physical reaction to an invisible force. Section 4. Tracking down the invisible villain. A homeowner's guide to diagnosing the problem. So, how do we fix it? To become an RFI detective in your own home, we can use this super simple step-by-step diagnostic hunt derived from Palomar engineers. And don't worry, you absolutely do not need a degree in electrical engineering to do this. First, just observe the glitch. Does the baby monitor drop out at a specific time of day? Does the TV buzz when the lights are on? Next, start systematically disconnecting devices connected to your network or your computer just one by one. Unplug the printer, then the mouse, then the external hard drive. Step 3 is simply to note any change in the interference. The exact moment the glitch stops, boom, you have successfully isolated the exact device or the exact cable that is leaking that interference into your home. Section 5. Shielding your home from interference. Simple fixes without opening up your electronics. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the contrast between these two simple solutions. You'll see a solid ferrite core here. Ferrite is this really cool ceramic-like material that naturally absorbs and dissipates radio frequency energy. But to use a solid core, you'd actually have to thread a cable all the way through it before attaching the ends, which is, well, it's pretty tough for existing setups. But contrast that with the brilliant innovation of the convenient snap-on split bead. It's encased in plastic, it simply opens up, and you literally just clip it right over your existing vulnerable cables. It acts like a chokehold, instantly blocking the RFI from traveling up the wire and into your sensitive devices. Another highly effective trick is looping a power cord several times through a simple toroid ring. By taking a victim device's power cord and wrapping it through this ring, it acts as a really potent filter. It physically traps and stops the interference from traveling from the wall outlet into your sensitive audio equipment or your computer. It's an incredibly easy, completely non-invasive way to keep all that invisible noise out of your gear. Let's move to and see how this builds into a solid plan with these quick, actionable defense strategies. First, absolutely use those snap-on ferrite beads for any cables that might be acting like secret antennas. If you're buying new cables, spend a little extra and invest in high-quality shielded cabling to ensure clean connectivity. Strategically move your Wi-Fi routers out into the open. Get them far away from dense physical obstructions like thick concrete or metal. Go into your device settings and switch your newer tech off that crowded 2.4 GHz frequency and onto the much clearer 5 or 6 GHz bands. And finally, always keep your network firmware updated. This ensures your security settings are optimized to handle network traffic efficiently. So there you have it. You now have the knowledge and the actual tools to take back control of your digital environment. You understand those invisible traffic jams. You know how your cables are sneakily acting like antennas. And you know how to use simple things like ferrite beads to choke out the interference, causing those maddening dead zones and false alarms. So I'll leave you with this. What invisible ghosts are you going to bust in your home network today? Take a look around your house, find that problematic connection, and permanently evict the invisible villain of RFI. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, stay curious.